Hi, I'm Yuna, a purple jaguar who loves to read. I have a superpower that can teleport us into any story we want, thanks to a magical portal I created with my tail. Ready to start the next book? Roar! Let's go! Jack and I were best friends. We played every day in his big yard, but Jack's family was very poor. One day, his mother sighed, "We must sell our cow Daisy." On the way, we met a man. "Magic beans for your cow," he said. Beans? Jack and I gasped. Maybe they'd grow into something amazing. So we traded Daisy. But Jack's mom was so mad. She tossed the beans outside. That night, Jack sighed. "I hope they're really magic." I did too. And guess what? By morning, wow! A giant beanstalk reached the sky. "Let's climb!" I cheered. Jack's eyes sparkled. We grabbed the vine and up, up, up we went. At the top, a huge castle. A kind giant woman led us in. But boom, boom! "Hide," she whispered. "My husband eats children." We ducked under the table. Coins, gold everywhere. Jack grabbed some, and when the giant wasn't looking, we ran. Climbing down was tricky, but we made it. Jack's mom was so happy. Jack wanted more. "The goose lays golden eggs," he said. We sneaked back, grabbed the goose, and escaped just in time. Now Jack's mom had all she needed. But Jack wasn't done. He went alone for the golden harp. Bad idea. The giant woke up and chased him. "Yuna! Help!" Jack screamed as he ran. I grabbed an axe, chopped the beanstalk. Whack! Crash! The giant fell, gone forever. Jack's mom ran to us, tears in her eyes. She hugged us tight and laughed. "We don't need gold. We have the most precious thing of all: love, friendship, and adventure." Wow! What an adventure! This was my story that I created using my platform. Ask a grown-up to help you find the Yuna app. You can create your own adventures where you are the hero with me.